Hello and welcome to Arts and Woods. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I will be showing you two beautiful consoles which is in teak wood with antique gold paint. These two have different sizes. This one is 4 feet left to right and this one is 2.5 feet left to right and the height is 7 feet. In this we have two drawers for storage, as you can see, and this is without drawer. Along with this we have two frames. Client wants this frame so that he can put lamp between these frames. So if you're looking for something beautiful like this, then please contact, the number is right here, and for more design you can visit our website artsandwoods.com. There you will find a dedicated section for dressing unit, or you can send your own design as well. Arts and Woods can make it for you and send to your home in India and out of India, wherever you are. So please contact, we will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.